Alright, today day 32-7. Today I'm going to explain about my morning routine. Basically, I wake up early, like 6 a.m. Then I face my I clean my face and I eat something. Then I come to my bed and I study. This is my bed here, and I study here every single day. And when I clean my every face, and I will clean I will moves my face and hands with towel. Then I will study this place, I mean here, basically every single day. Then I study kind of morning times. I study on YouTube. On YouTube, I see videos, and at the same time I write down, and I practice more again and again and again. This is kind of English videos I see, and at the same time I learned actually grammatical thing. That's why I see morning times videos, and I clear my all doubt. Yes, actually morning times our brain clears, no any pain, any kind of bad things. We are easily do something, anything. So this way I hope the morning time very important for our do anything. If you do anything whole time, you have to, I suggest for you, you should do morning time first of all. So then back to the point, uh, I finish my study kind of 8 a.m. Then I eat something morning time, yeah. Then I eat something, I mean I complete my complete my breakfast. Yeah, I complete my breakfast, kind of any day, rice and curry, rice and fish curry, and kind of with salad, and someday chicken, or someday dal, etc. I eat some recently, uh, most of all day I eat rice and curry, and rice and dal. Yeah, this is my actually morning time. I eat basically every day, um, kind of things. Then I drink water morning time, and sometimes I go market at morning time, because here morning time market is available in our around place. That's why I go to morning. I go to market in morning time for buy some vegetable, and potato, fish, egg, etc. So this is thing actually I like that. And morning time I do some homework. I mean, I help my mother sometimes with cook. My mother's cooking alone. Sometimes I cook with my mother's. Yes, and I help my mother sometimes. Now, this is actually thing. I hope that if I help my mothers in morning time, my mothers will be satisfied for me. So basically I don't help my mothers. It's so sad for me. I will actually I busy morning time. That's why I study morning time, and I see, actually when I finish my eat, then I see kind of English mom video, like 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Then I see video. If I don't go to school, if I don't go to school, then I see kind of motivational video, and English kind of videos, and I talk to anyone to speak English. This is my morning kind of shortcut introductions about my morning self. And I hope that this will be better for me. For practice purpose, if I continue practice every single day like this way, I will be fluently speaking very fastly. Just I need consistency, and every single day try and try and try. So this was my short morning routine explain. I will explain it with you. I hope that you will enjoy this video. This video will be helpful. I hope that because this video you know some kind of motivation from me, because I'm right now I'm a learner. I'm an English learner. I will be fluently speaking like native speaker. Thus, I need keep practice every single day. If you want to really interested for learn English, you have to practice like this way. I chose 30 days here. 30 days a day. Then I will make video consistency every single day, minimum 5 minutes videos, and I will upload on YouTube. And this challenge is every single day I will cover another topic. This another topic. Today I am talking about my morning routine. Tomorrow maybe I like with that. Then day after tomorrow I will cover my market. This is way I will cover every single day another days. This will be better me that if I practice like this way every single day, I will make videos like this way. I will be fluently speaking very fastly. Yeah, just need keep practice every single day. So this video I will finish. See you next video. Thank you.